Hey there, Generation Z. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore topics that empower and inspire you to be the best version of yourselves. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of our well-being: mental health, fitness, and healthy eating habits. As we reflect on the ending of the pandemic and its impact on our lives, it's time to invest in a journey towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. So let's unlock the secrets to nurturing our minds and bodies for a fulfilling and extraordinary life. Mental health matters. Before we dive into fitness and healthy eating, let's acknowledge the significance of mental health. The past couple of years have been challenging, and it's natural to experience stress and anxiety. But remember, it's okay not to be okay. Taking care of our mental well-being is the foundation of a healthier life. Let's explore ways to prioritize our mental health and build resilience. Fit for life. Physical fitness is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Regular exercise not only improves our physical health, but also releases endorphins that boost our mood and reduce stress. Let's discover fun and effective ways to stay active and incorporate fitness into our daily routines. Fueling your body right. They say, you are what you eat, and it couldn't be truer. A balanced and nutritious diet is essential for a healthy mind and body. Let's explore the power of healthy eating habits and learn how to make delicious and nourishing choices that fuel our energy and overall well-being. Fueling your body right. Nutritious meal ideas tailored for a Gen Z client. It's essential to focus on balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients to support their active and growing lifestyle. With these nutritious meal ideas, Gen Z clients can fuel their bodies for optimal health and wellness. Overcoming fears and anxieties. Sometimes, embracing a healthier lifestyle can be daunting, especially when we have fears and anxieties holding us back. Let's address common concerns and discover techniques to overcome them. Remember, we're in this together, and small steps can lead to significant transformations. Overcoming fears and anxieties. Engaging visuals that showcase young people supporting each other and embracing new challenges. As we know, visuals play a crucial role in conveying emotions and stories, and we want to inspire our Generation Z audience to build a community of support and face challenges head-on. Let's explore some fantastic options. Collaborative sports and activities. Film a group of young individuals engaging in team sports like soccer, basketball, or volleyball. Capture moments of teamwork, encouragement, and celebrating each other's successes. Showcasing the camaraderie and sportsmanship will resonate with the audience. Group fitness classes. Highlight a group of friends participating in a fitness class together, whether it's a dance class, yoga session, or outdoor boot camp. Focus on the moments of encouragement, high fives, and shared determination to complete the workout. Volunteer and charity events. Capture young people coming together to support a cause they're passionate about. Film moments of volunteering at a local food bank, participating in a charity run, or organizing a community cleanup. Showcase their dedication to making a positive impact. Mentorship and learning opportunities. Feature a mentor guiding a young person through a new skill or hobby. Whether it's learning to play an instrument, paint, or code, capturing the learning journey and the mentor's support can be truly inspiring. Facing academic challenges. Document a group of students studying together for exams or working on a challenging project. Show them supporting each other through the ups and downs of academics, celebrating achievements, and providing encouragement during stressful times. Team building adventures. Film young people participating in team-building activities, such as ropes courses, escape rooms, or problem-solving challenges. Showcase their communication, problem-solving, and bonding experiences. Overcoming fear of public speaking. Capture a young person conquering their fear of public speaking by giving a speech or presentation in front of their peers. Remember, while filming, focus on authentic and genuine moments that resonate with your audience. Sometimes, embracing a healthier lifestyle can be daunting, especially when we have fears and anxieties holding us back. Let's address common concerns and discover techniques to overcome them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.